With Superior Van and Mobility, and we're here at the home of Keith and Lottie Stowers to deliver their brand new Chrysler Pacifica. This 2020 Pacifica was modified by BraunAbility for wheelchair accessibility, and funding was provided by Help Our Military Heroes. This is the 12th van that Help Our Military Heroes have partnered with Superior Van in providing a wheelchair accessible van to a VA client.
We're all here for the big day. Okay.
Getting a video of you guys too. Wave. Wave, guys.
We're getting our camera set up. Hi.
Showing it today, I'm Jonathan Smith with Superior Van and Mobility, and I have been designated the COVID stay-at-home ambassador for Help Our Military Heroes, and we are here to present a vehicle to Keith and Lottie Stowers today. The Help Our Military Heroes is grateful for the trust and patience throughout this entire process, so thank you all for that. Our mission has and always will be to extend a thank you from hundreds of our grateful Americans to our van recipients. We want to help ease your stress in this small way. We hope the financial stress of obtaining a wheelchair accessible van is one less thing you guys have to worry about. So I am proud to present to you the special keychain the recipients will receive for their vehicles. And you'll honor that proudly. There you are. Help Our Military Heroes is eternally grateful to Ralph Braun, who continues to inspire us in our mission, and to the teams of BraunAbility and Superior Van and Mobility who have made today possible. Today is the 12th van that Help Our Military Heroes and Superior Van and Mobility have done together. So we'd like to thank them as well for being great partners in this process. Also, too, let your friends and family, whoever you can, know about Help Our Military Heroes. Send them to their webpage to donate. It's their donations that help make these things possible to help other families. So please reach out, let them know. It's easy to support this cause, and it's a very important cause for us all. So at this time, I'd like to present to you your 2020 Chrysler Pacifica.
Yeah!
We always say it's not just a van, it's diesel. Right? That's Keith's dad. Oh.
quality for electric chairs like this, so it's just a perfect fit. Head clearance was awesome, no troubles there, so everything went smooth and perfect through that. And then we'll take time, and we're going to go over every bell, button, and feature, so there's going to be no question about how to operate the vehicle before I leave. So we'll spend as much time as you want going over the vehicle and make sure. Absolutely.
That's right. This is exciting for all of us.
So, tell us about it.
Either button here or here.
I have given Lottie the picture. Tell me on the dress.
Yeah, it's hard to be.
Cry. Go ahead.
Watch that rank train.
You want me to do it for you? I've done a lot of crying.
I don't like to do that.